Hey, what's up everybody? This video is going to be about the very first step to online arbitrage. I know what you're thinking, like, I just need to go out there and search every product on a page and see what it's selling for. That might work in Q4 when everything's on sale. I used to do that in Q4 and I found a lot of products. It also took a lot of time. And personally, in my opinion, I think the very first step to mastering online arbitrage is to get a software. So the end-all be-all software is Tactical Arbitrage. It's the best online arbitrage software out there. Like, by far the best. All you really have to do, it's really intimidating at the beginning once you open it, but it's really not that difficult to get started. It is a little expensive. It's about $100 a month, but here's what it does. Say you want to buy something from Walmart to sell on Amazon. So basically, all you have to do is go to Walmart. There's a drop-down menu in Tactical Arbitrage. You click on Walmart, and then you go down there. You click on like Add Bulk Lists, and then it's going to have all the categories that you can add from Walmart's website. So you can add toys, sporting goods, grocery products, health and beauty products, makeup, anything, pretty much like any category that they have, you can add it right there. And that's going to be almost all of Walmart's products that are in those categories. And then you enter your triggers for each category or whatever, like what you want your ROI to be, what you want your rank to be. So my tip is to go broad. So for my ROI, I only put in 10%. Like, I want ROI to be over 10%. This gives me a lot of products that I can look at. And let's say something has 25% ROI, but it sells 100 a day. I want to see that product. But if you have 50% ROI as your trigger, then you're not going to see it. So, and the rank one, I do the average 90-day rank, sales rank, and I want it to be under 300,000. And I do that because if the product is out of stock, like no sellers, the rank will be pretty high. So the rank might be 250,000, but when it was in stock, it was selling 10 a day or 3 a day or whatever, and it was really high ROI. And if you buy that product, you can come in at any price you want. So that's really what Tactical Arbitrage does. So you go in there, you put on all your settings, and then you just click start, and it'll go through all Walmart's products, look them up individually on Amazon, and all this is passive. It's like you don't even have to mess with it. So it'll do it in the background of your laptop or PC, and when it's done, you can just go through it. You can sort by ROI, you can sort by rank, and it'll have the link to Amazon's product, and I'll have the link to Walmart's product, and you can compare them to see if they're the same, and if they are, go ahead and buy it, make some money.